Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can make channel Nsfw Discord on mobile. So it's pretty simple, but before I show you the way, I'm going to be telling you what Nsfw means. So what Nsfw means, it's basically for 18 plus content. So if you want to make a channel where you guys can, post 18 plus content without, getting your channel banned, then you guys have to create an Nsfw, channel. Because if you create that channel, the person has to be above 18 years old to join. Otherwise they can't. And even if somebody reports it, you won't be, your channel won't be deleted because your channel is Nsfw, which means 18 plus content channel. So it won't be banned. So yeah, I'm going to be teaching you how you guys can make it. But before that, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. So let's start this video without any further ado. So first, you need to be the admin of the server, alright? You need to be the owner of the server. If you're not the owner of the server, you cannot do this, alright? If you are not the owner of a server, create a server first. After creating the server, so basically I'm the owner of the server over here. So what I can do is, swipe left over here. After I swipe left over here, this setting opens up. This is for general, alright? So this setting opens up. After this setting opens up, as you guys can see, this crown beside my name, which means I'm admin of this group. So to make this channel Nsfw, what I can do is click on setting over here. Once I click on setting, I can scroll down, and where it says privacy and safety, as you guys can see, Nsfw channel, it says user will need to confirm they are of over legal age to view in the content in this channel. Nsfw channel are exempt for the explicit content filter. So that's basically it. We need to tick mark it. After tick marking it, help us keep the Discord safe. So you need to enter the date of birth. So which date of birth do you think is acceptable for the person to enter? You can choose that. So I'm gonna write 2002 and click on done. Next. So age verified. So the person needs to be born like before 2002 to enter this channel, right? So I have created an Nsfw channel. As you guys can see, the channel content, adult content, marked not safe for work. Do you wish to proceed? If I click on no, then I can't join this channel. If I click on continue, then it shows me I'm above the age verified to watch this channel. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can create an Nsfw channel in Discord. And to cancel it, it's just basically simple. Just slide left, click on setting, and where it's ticked, you just untick it, and boom, your channel setting has been updated. Now once you go back, and it is back to the normal one. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye bye. Peace out. Have a nice day.